Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and humble welcome to Regular Entertainment. Here, I'll give you hot gist of all the trending issues in Nigeria and Africa and the world over. Please, for those that are new, now, please do hit the subscribe button, then like the bell. Feel free to share this video on any of your social media platform, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so as to be updated whenever I upload new content. Well, we got this breaking news last night. I mean, when I saw it, I was touched. That EFCC arrests Obi Kubana for money laundering and tax fraud. Well, according to news, popular socialite and businessman Obinna Yegbo, aka Obi Kubana, has been arrested by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission for money laundering. The Anambra Bond Club owner who arrived at the headquarters of the EFCC in Abuja at about noon on Monday, 1st November 2021, is currently being interrogated by operatives of the commission. Though allegations against the socialite were sketchy as of press time, a source disclosed that his case borders on alleged money laundering and tax fraud. The source said Obi Kubana was arrested and brought to the EFCC headquarters on Monday afternoon over allegations of money laundering and tax fraud. He is being grilled by detectives as we speak. The EFCC spokesman, Wilson Wujaren, said he has yet to be praised on the Punch newspaper. Well, and we should remember that Obi Kubana won the award for Man of the Year 2022, and this is 2022. And remember, if EFCC, is questioning somebody, that doesn't mean the person is guilty. They are just trying to find out, because some people are dropping comments that, yeah, I know, because people have been asking questions regarding his source of income and wealth. You know, what happened at Oba in Anambra during his mother's burial, when people were spraying cash, they were even they were playing with money. And people have been asking about his source of income. But come on, man, money laundering, that's a normal thing. We have so many presidential aspirants who have been accused of money laundering in the United States of America. Tax evasion, like people like Cristiano Ronaldo, it's very common. It's not something that is too bad. So you guys should calm down. Calm down. For especially those who have been complaining that they don't know the source of this guy's income and stuff. And according to Tunde North dropped a message where we all know Tunde North is a friend to Obi Kubana. Yeah, they follow each other and they'll be promoting each other. According to Tunde North, he said, invited to EFCC for questioning, no mean say person do the thing. The only thing where they achieve now just that name where they won't stay. But God big past them. Since they born me, I don't hear names of people, politicians, we don't carry Niger money, but were never called for questioning. There's still the room for streets. The Igbo movement becoming big. They're taking over the entertainment circuit strongly, but they don't want that. If Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos been come from Niger, they fit no reach where they now. Think about it. You get too much money now, EFCC, you know free from them. I really see reasons with Tunde Ednot. Do you see reasons with what you just said? Don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section below. As I said, some people are in support of what is going on. Some persons are criticizing it, that they don't know this guy's source of wealth. Well, from the desk of Comrade Deji, according to him, he said, when I told Obi Kubana to be careful, some people said I was jealous of him. It's still much better to be arrested by EFCC than FBI. He should be celebrating that it's EFCC. Calm down, Obi. It's not serious for now, but it could get worse. Well, we fed it for the desk of activist Deji Adeyanju. We should recall that during the burial ceremony that happened in Oba, Obi Kubana's mother's burial ceremony, Comrade Deji dropped a message on Twitter. He said if Obi Kubana had acted responsibly last week, he won't need all these explanations now. Every time he's traveling abroad, he will be watched as a person of interest. The Financial and Security World Exchange Intel. He didn't need to draw so much attention to himself. He dropped this message on the 22nd of July 2021. And this thing just happened on the 1st of November 2021. Well, I think Obi Kubana just need to be careful. He just need to pipe low to live his normal low life. Because this country, once you have money, if you have money, you're in problem. Even if you don't have money, you're in problem. And according to what Tunde and others say, our politicians have been stealing money and they are free. Nothing has happened to them. EFCC have not even called most of them for questioning. What's the way forward for us in Nigeria? Don't forget to drop your comments. Elon Musk is the richest man on air right now. I know he's been, they've been struggling for this position. Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, they keep going up and down. Yeah, they've been doing very well. Money is good. The richest man on earth, which is Elon Musk right now, the richest man in the world, who is Elon Musk right now, is prepared to put his net worth to use. Wow. According to Elon Musk, his statement came after United Nations World Food Program Director David Beasley challenged the ultra-wealthy in an interview with CNN last week. And Elon Musk offers to sell Tesla stock right now if UN can show how $6 billion will solve world hunger problem. Wow. So all Elon Musk needs right now is that the United Nations should just show that, okay, this is how we can solve this problem, world hunger problem, with $6 billion US, and he will give them the money. He will sell Tesla stock and give them the money. And remember, the population of this world is about it's about 7.2 billion people. Elon Musk is ready, and Elon Musk is worth over 200 billion US. So he's ready to, drop chinkini change. Yeah, because that for him is chinkini change. When you have over 200 billion US and they're asking for $6 billion, that is chinkini change to solve world hunger problem. But the big question is, will United Nations be able to give him a plan? Have they drawn a map? Do they have a map like, okay, this is what we'll do, these are the things we need to do to solve world hunger crisis? Elon Musk is waiting, and we are also waiting for the tweets Elon Musk dropped. He said, if WFP, which is World Food Program, can describe on this Twitter thread exactly how $6 billion US will solve world hunger, I will sell Tesla stock right now and do it. As I said earlier, Elon Musk is worth $292.6 billion US as of today. Today, the 2nd of November 2021. I just checked it online. It's worth $292.6 billion. Damn. And he is ready to spend just $6 billion. That is chinkini, as I said earlier. Well, we are waiting for the United Nations to respond to Elon Musk. We're still on Elon Musk. We have this funny picture online that has been trending. Elon Musk has been captured on camera playing fatherly role to his cute son named, I can't pronounce the name, but you can see it there. He could be seen carrying eggs on his lap while making a phone call. While some condemned Musk for spending time with his kid, others didn't stop joking about the baby's weird name. Yeah, the baby's name is weird. I can't even pronounce it. But Elon Musk, with the richest man on earth, spending time with kids. So you can imagine, this guy can employ 1 million nannies and pay them $1 million each. He won't go broke to take care of his kid, but he decided to, spend fatherly time with them. That's a huge one. Congratulations to you, Elon Musk. Fathers out there, congratulations to Jay-Z and LL Cool J for being inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. That is a huge one. Big ups to you. You guys have been doing very well, dropping hit songs, acting good movies. Big ups to Jay-Z and LL Cool J. Just watch a video clip of Jay-Z accepting his awards.
And hopefully I'm informing the next generation that, anything is possible. I don't know what's next. In fact, I do know what's next. I gotta go to court Monday. It's good and bad. It's good and bad. Life is about balance, but, tonight, we're gonna enjoy tonight. I appreciate this honor. Sorry for this long-ass speech, but I had to get it off.
That's a huge one. Congratulations to you, Jay-Z, and congratulations to you, LL Cool J. You guys should keep soaring, keep winning. Well, let's come back into our beloved country, Nigeria. We have this bad, terrible news that 10 die as 21-story building collapses in Lagos. Wow. 21-story building collapsed and killed 10 people. So far, they've seen 10 people that are dead because so many persons, about 50 persons, were trapped in the building. That's a terrible news. And before this, the designer warned of this tragedy. He was like, people are using substandard material. But they went ahead and And also, according to report, a witness to the Ikoyi building collapse has disclosed that the owner of the skyscraper is trapped with the other victims. Damn. The witness claimed he and some of his friends came to work at the construction site. Meanwhile, the number of those trapped in the collapsed building situated on Gerard Road, Ikoyi, is yet to be confirmed. But according to some report, they say about 50 persons were trapped in the building and some persons have lost their life, though they are still excavating to see if they can rescue people. But we'll keep you updated on that anyway. Thank you very much for watching the Glitz Entertainment. We hope you entertain. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like. And also don't forget to hit the notification icon so that you'll be updated whenever I upload new videos. Take care of you, and please do have a memorable day.